Welcome back. I'm Michael, and we're talking to Flint here about his follow-up and how he's doing with his prosthesis for his below-the-knee amputation.
Let's see, I had my amputation on May 31st this year. I was in the hospital for 10 days, and 4 days after I got out, I just wasn't the wheelchair kind of guy. I've been an avid Harley-Davidson fan for years, and I've got 3 that I work on, restore, or ride. I've been trying to set up or find a way to use the clutch, which is kind of difficult with this unless you're just doing everything with your heel. I'm really excited to try and get back on my bike and that, and I'm really excited to walk again normally. I've had to sit the whole summer out listening to people ride by. They really have some pretty good stuff out there. I'm looking forward to the hydraulic ankle and some of the other stuff. They have different stages of these prostheses, and depending on how active you are, and that will probably help me out a lot.
As you progress, it's a relationship that's, with the surgeon, it's kind of like, okay, we did the surgery and you're done. But with your prosthetist, it's pretty much a lifelong relationship, because you will change over time, your needs will change. We just got to keep up with you.